Dr. Oguri Nageshwara Rao, A Journey of Healing and Leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, let us take you through the inspiring journey of Dr. Oguri Nageshwara Rao, a visionary in the field of dental health care and public service. A doctor's touch like heaven's grace, Vaidyo Narayano Hari in every case. In Dr. Nageshwara Rao's noble stride, this truth shines bright far and wide. Born on May 21, 1954, in the humble village of SAKHINETIPALLI, RAZOLE, Dr. B.R. AMBEDKAR Konaseema district, Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Oguri Nageshwara Rao's roots are steeped in resilience. His parents, Sri Oguri Narsaya and Srimati Kantamma, were hard-working agricultural laborers whose values of perseverance and dedication became the foundation of his remarkable life. In 1977, after completing his Bachelor of Science, Dr. Nageshwara Rao embarked on his dental career by joining the Bachelor of Dental Surgery BDS program at Usmania Medical College, Dental Wing, Koti, Hyderabad. During his time at the men's hostel, Dr. Rao stood out for his leadership, actively participating in medical camps organized by the Social and Preventive Medicine Department and fostering a sense of community. In 1980, his peers elected him Vice President of the Government Dental College and Hospital Student Union. By 1981, he also served as the Mess Secretary of Usmania Medical College, contributing to student welfare and cultural activities. In April 1984, Dr. Rao completed his BDS and soon became an active member of the Indian Dental Association, IDA. His professional journey began in January 1986 as a civil assistant surgeon dental at the Government Hospital, Tandoor. After 7 months, he was transferred to the prestigious Government Dental College and Hospital, Hyderabad. Building a legacy of dental awareness and action, Dr. Rao's leadership prowess came to the forefront when he was elected Secretary of the IDA AP State Branch for 1986-87. Under the mentorship of President Dr. B.K. Reddy and Treasurer Dr. D. Venugopal Naidu, Dr. Rao represented Andhra Pradesh at the IDA's national meetings and spearheaded several initiatives, including mega dental camps at Nizamabad and Nellore and organizing the State Dental Conference at Nellore. With the cooperation of Dr. Konda Reddy, re-elected as Secretary in 1987-88, Dr. Nageshwara Rao collaborated with President Dr. Shanta Rao Nane to implement impactful programs such as the renowned Dental Health Week at Keys High School, Secunderabad, under the guidance of Dr. Jayakumar, and the Grand State Dental Conference at IMA Hall, Hyderabad, with the cooperation of Colonel Narne Rangarao, and the Grand State Dental Conference at IMA Hall, Hyderabad. In 1989, he secured his position as Secretary once again in a highly contested election, winning by a margin of just 4 votes. Alongside President Dr. M.S. Gaut, he hosted another successful mega dental camp at Nizamabad and the prestigious 12th AP State Dental Conference at Taj Krishna Oberoi Hotel. Championing dental reforms, in 1992, Dr. Rao became President of the IDA Deccan Branch, working with Secretary Dr. D. Sreenath Reddy and Treasurer Dr. G. Hariprasad Rao. Together, they organized an international oral implantology CME program at Taj Krishna Oberoi Hotel, featuring esteemed global experts Dr. Arun K. Garg, USA, Dr. Stuart N. Klein, USA, and Dr. P. Sanjay Reddy, USA. Dr. P. Ramchandra Reddy played a key role in managing the entire program. This event became a milestone in continuing education for Indian dental professionals. Dr. Rao's commitment to improving dental health care extended beyond conferences. He and his team, including Dr. D. Sreenath Reddy, Dr. G. Hariprasad Rao, Dr. D. Venugopal Naidu, and other executive members, submitted a memorandum on February 13, 1993, to the then Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Kotla Vijayabhaskar Reddy, highlighting key reforms. filling of 40 vacant dental assistant surgeon posts, establishment of a second government dental college in the state, doubling BDS seats at Government Dental College, Hyderabad from 40 to 80, increasing MDS postgraduate seats from 14 to 28, in-service candidate reservations for PG MDS courses, promotions for dental assistant surgeons, creation of a civil surgeon cadre, a separate directorate for dental education and services, creation of dental units with a comprehensive team for district hospitals, one civil surgeon, one deputy civil surgeon, one dental assistant surgeon, one dental technician, and one dental hygienist. Increased budget for dental colleges and all dental departments in district hospitals and Mandal PHCs. Results that changed the course of dental healthcare. In 1994, a second government dental college was sanctioned in Vijayawada and 40 dental assistant surgeon posts were filled. These victories, led by Dr. Nageshwara Rao and his dedicated team, significantly enhanced dental healthcare in Andhra Pradesh. Further contributions to dental excellence. In 1998-99, Dr. Rao was re-elected as president of the IDA Deccan branch. Alongside Secretary Dr. D. Venugopal Naidu and Treasurer Dr. G. Hariprasad Rao, they submitted a memorandum to the then Honorable Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu on December 27, 1999. His advocacy resulted in further improvements such as increasing BDS seats from 40 to 80 and MDS seats from 14 to 28. His efforts also ensured in-service candidate reservations, promotions for dental assistant surgeons, and the creation of a civil surgeon cadre and posts equivalent to those in the medical profession. Dr. Rao's team members proudly say that they achieved dental assistant surgeons promotions and the creation of 23 new civil surgeon posts in all district hospitals as per GOMS number 181 dated May 19, 2000. They also organized the first Deccan Dental Conference at Gandhi Medical College, Bashir Bagh, a memorable event that aligned dental policies with medical standards. In 2004-2005, Dr. Nageshwara Rao was elected president of the Indian Dental Association AP State Branch, with Dr. L. Krishna Prasad from Sibar Dental College as secretary and Dr. M.V. Ramoj Rao as treasurer. During this tenure, they submitted a memorandum on December 23, 2005 to Honorable Health and Finance Minister Sri K. Roshaya, emphasizing the need to increase BDS seats, MDS seats, and provide in-service candidate reservations for dental assistant surgeons. Notably, all this happened under the tenure of Dr. Y.S. Rajashekhar Reddy as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. The AP State Dental Conference, held at New Gandhi Medical College during this period, was a resounding success. Under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Oguri Nageshwara Rao, 90% of all dental professional issues were resolved. The number of BDS seats was increased from 40 to 80. PGMDS seats were raised from 14 to 21. And in-service candidate reservations for dental assistant surgeons were implemented in line with the medical profession. A voice for public health awareness. Dr. Rao's public service extended to anti-tobacco campaigns and cancer awareness programs. For over 25 years, he led awareness drives across the state, educating the public about the dangers of tobacco use. His commitment to education continued with the launch of his YouTube channel, Dr. Rao's Dental, featuring over 1,008 informative videos that reached over 3 million viewers and earned more than 19,000 subscribers. To raise awareness about diseases caused by tobacco, World No Tobacco Day is observed every year on May 31st. In this context, Dr. Rao's Oral Health Foundation in Hyderabad organizes month-long awareness programs from May 1st to May 31st each year. The main goal of these programs is to educate people about the dangers of smoking. Across the Telugu states, meetings, rallies, and seminars are conducted to inform the public about the harm caused by tobacco, says Dr. Oguri Nageshwara Rao, the founder of Dr. Rao's Oral Health Foundation. To create awareness about the evils of tobacco, Dr. Rao produced and acted in 2 Telugu songs and 1 Hindi song under the composition of the eminent Telugu music director and singer Mr. Ballepalli Mohan. For 45 years, Dr. Rao has extended his dental awareness service by conducting numerous dental camps and appearing on TV channels, radio, and newspapers, earning him many awards and accolades. A legacy of impact. Dr. O. Nageshwara Rao's contributions extended beyond dentistry. He was not only a leader in the dental profession, but also played an active role in the AP Government Doctors Association from 1998 to 2008, serving as State Secretary Dental for 10 years. During this period, he actively contributed to the association's initiatives and participated in an indefinite hunger strike for CGHS scales for doctors on April 4, 2008. One remarkable achievement in his career was when he was elected treasurer of the Gandhi Hospital Association APGDA for the time 2002 to 2004 with just 1 vote from the dental department, winning among candidates from the entire medical profession. He was also nominated as Public Relations Officer, Liaison Officer and RMO at Gandhi Hospital, even though he was serving as a Deputy Civil Surgeon Dental. He was honored with multiple world records for his extraordinary contributions and human service. In 2023, he received the prestigious Genius World Record and the Wonder Book of World Records for his incredible achievement of uploading 1,008 informative and health-promoting videos on YouTube. Additionally, Gandhi Hospital was relocated to its present location at Mushirabad jail campus due to his leadership during a 204-day agitation in 2001, a historical milestone he spearheaded as a joint convener of the Joint Action Committee for the hospital's relocation to the 30-acre campus. Defending Gandhi Medical College land. In 2005, when it was discovered that nearly 1.5 acres of land belonging to Gandhi Medical College was at risk of being encroached upon by private individuals, Dr. O. Nageshwara Rao, in his role as a GDA secretary, took decisive action. He firmly adhered to the regulations of the Indian Medical Council, which prohibit any external constructions within the college premises. With unwavering resolve, he waged a relentless battle to prevent the land from being taken over. To stop unauthorized construction by private entities, Dr. Nageshwara Rao led protests alongside doctors, medical students, paramedicals, and NGOs. The demonstrations gained widespread support from various sections of the community, reinforcing their cause. In the end, the land was restored to Gandhi Medical College, and the credit for this significant victory goes to Dr. O. Nageshwara Rao, whose dedication and leadership made it possible. Dr. Rao's achievements are countless, and his relentless efforts for the welfare of humanity are too vast to be captured within a brief moment. Absolutely, he is a beacon light, a guiding star, a healing ray. Dr. Nageshwara Rao lights the way. With skillful hands and a heart so true, he changed the lives of many he knew. A warrior for smiles, his noble quest. In service and wisdom, he stands the best. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the inspiring life of Dr. O. Nageshwara Rao.